Hello and welcome to TipTalk from Iskar Tech Center. Today TipTalk will focus on machine programming for thread electronic application. Modern CNC lathes allow the programmer to easily adjust the in-feed angle, the number of passes, and the depth of cut for each pass. The modified flank in-feed is one of most commonly programmed parameters in CNC machines. The chip-controlled threading insert performs best at in-feed angle of 0.5 degrees up to 2 degrees. For stable control, chip control, it is recommended to use the constant volume between 0.1 mm up to 0.23 mm. It is important to maintain a minimum depth of cut of 0.1 mm for every pass. For some materials, the finish passes is recommended at 0.02 mm up to 0.08 mm, and spring pass may be used to improve the surface finish. Thank you.